welcome back. Today's vlog is going to be a couple days in my life. It is Tuesday morning, 7:52, and I got here like 5 minutes ago. It's going to be a long day today. This is my outfit of the day. I have this long sleeve with a flannel because it's flannel day. Then I have my black slacks and my platform New Balances, of course. It's going to be a long day today because it's open house. Open house will be from 6 p.m. until 8. So yeah, I'm gonna be here literally until 8 p.m. I'm so sleepy this morning. My students turned in their projects yesterday that they have been working on for the past week. And they turned out so great. Let me just quickly show you some examples. So they basically had to create a book based on a topic, either the eye, the ear, or smell and taste. And they came out so good. I'm so proud of them. And the students actually read them to the class under the projector. It was so good. So that's what I did yesterday. And today I'm going to do that for my anatomy that I have one class of today. So stinking cute. I'm so proud of them. Check this one out with a cockroach. It amazed me. I'm like, oh my gosh. Going into the ear, of course. So we had one with a spider, which is so adorable because they were gonna actually bring a fake spider, 3D, but they forgot it. But there it is in the little pictures. Look how amazing this artwork is. Going down the ear canal. Oh, how cute. And I don't even like cockroaches, but this one came out cute. But yeah, that was yesterday and it was good. Now I just gotta plan out for my environmental that I'm gonna have today. I did. I just got back to work. I went to go get Starbucks. I'm here with Diego, shout out. It's 10 p.m. and I'm finishing up some notes for tomorrow. And I'm here with my mom. She's putting up decorations for Easter. How cute! Look at the ones she put up over here by the TV. Cute! Look at the little eggs. How adorable. And I have Mr. Cutie right here. Hi, Chico. It's 7 o'clock and I'm heading to work. I am feeling so tired this morning. I literally woke up 30 minutes ago, guys. I'm so exhausted. Less than 12 hours ago, I was at work. Now I'm going back. Boy. It's 7:30 and I'm at work needing to print something. How's it going? I'm feeling so tired. Like, literally so exhausted.
Is it the week? Was it last night?
I think it's last night.
Yeah.
Yes. And then
Like you go to bed at 8?
No, literally, yes. But I went to bed like at 11:30 last night because I was finalizing my lesson for second period. Because we have the meeting today, or like the data meeting.
I don't know how long it's supposed to be. I'm gonna be like, it's data, right?
Yes.
It's 15 minutes. She has said that. Let's get out of here.
And it didn't click. Like yesterday, I was just thinking it's gonna take the whole time.
But I always still am worried it will. That's what. Damn, dude, you stayed up. I I left my laptop.
I took it. It's because
I was grabbing it, and I said,
no.
what's this?
And like I was planning on planning during the open house, but I was just talking. I was talking, and I'm like, oh my gosh,
I know.
2 hours.
I was reading.
That's nice. I haven't read like in 2 days.
Oh, that's not so bad.
No, I know, but
Don't beat
still,
yourself up so much.
it's like it's something I want to do at the end of my day, but it's just like I'm so
making a
tired.
practice.
Yes, and it's just so hard because I just want to go to sleep.
One day. Start
Yeah.
one day. Good morning.
I'm home from work and it is so windy. My hair's all crazy. But I'm so tired, guys. I didn't even show you my OOTD. Comfy, simple. It's the next day, 8:20, and the bell just rang for first period. I'm just going to plan out for environmental. I'm thinking of doing a lab activity with them, measuring how much energy different appliances use up. So that would be fun and interesting to do with them today. So I'm just gonna go around and see what we can use because I do not have everything on this list. So I'm just going to make my own list. Look how pink my car looks. I love it. Oh my gosh, it is so hot. I just got home. Man, it was such a busy day. And tomorrow the students do not have school. We have professional development, but I'm actually not gonna go to it because I'm gonna go with HOSA to help chaperone. So we're leaving tomorrow in the morning and coming back Saturday evening. So yeah, I'm excited, but it's gonna be tiring because and then I leave. Oh, what the heck was that? I leave again on Wednesday. So I'm getting back Saturday, have school Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday I leave to Corpus. Oh, and we're going to Corpus tomorrow for HOSA regional competition, and then Wednesday BPA Corpus state competition. This is my outfit of the day. Super comfortable. I wore my George Mason University Washington Youth Summit on the environment that I went to almost 10 years ago. The sponsors going decided to do that phone case trend for this weekend. I got my person, and this is the phone case that I ordered, the funny phone case. It is Takis. They're gonna have a chip bag of a phone case. How funny. Oh, that's a good one. It's the next day and Wendy came to pick me up. Sweetheart. And we came to get scooters.
So we can scooter this up.
Yes.
Sounds good.
I'm excited to try yours.
Spider-Man's so excited to try it too.
Oh,
Nice to meet you.
that is so cute. Wendy's helping me. Thank you, bestie.
Always, always.
Going to take my things to the bus before the students start boarding. Ready to go. To Popeyes. Made it.
Today, and this weekend, is in the case of the world and take our future. Congratulations and welcome.
It's supposed to Paw Patrol. Of course, I have to take the kids to Paw Patrol. What else did we see? Yeah, but
Yes.
get my feet out of it.
Oh, funny phone case exchange.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. There's this.
It's a giant phone. Why do you open it? You need to open
Oh my god. That is so cute. There's this.
Look at your face. Look how big it's gonna be. No, your face.
No. That is so cute.
Hey, but I think it's a working mirror.
I think it is.
Seeing you, Mama. What are you gonna be in today or tomorrow? Today. Today. Why not? Are you practicing?
How does it show?
All right. Should I ask you?
I remember these, but how does it appear? No.
Yes, it's like that. But you're gonna have to put it up.
How many years ago was that? Last year? Yeah.
So cute.
We're all waiting.
Our event starts at 6:30.
Do you need the purchase order number? Yes. Most definitely.
Telephone. Aww.
This is mine.
I'm gonna give my funny phone case to my person, and that's gonna be Miss Gutierrez.
Oh my god, I love it. That's so cute. I know, so cute. That is cute. I love Takis. Let's switch up clothes.
That's so good.
I'm gonna give mine to my person.
Oh my gosh!
Mr. Potato.
That is so adorable.
That is so you. That is.
Yes. Ah. What?
Oh, you can change the.
Oh my god. That is so cute. Thank you. I love it.
It is so
Cute. Okay, I'm gonna put.
Okay, so this is Miriam's for Gloria.
Ah.
Yellow's my favorite color.
Oh my gosh.
And green. I'm too nervous.
You're fine. You're fine.
Sir, help.
The pressure. The pressure.
Oh, it's wearing a mask.
Oh my god.
It's a ducky. With ugly teeth. That's what the mask is for. Thank you, Miriam.
Oh, that is so cute.
Let me put it on.
It's 7:30 and we're still here. Feeling so tired right now.
This is all I have.
It's 9 o'clock and we're still here. Shout out.
I was wondering you were vlogging today.
It's 10 o'clock and we're ready to go. It's 10:30 and I'm finally in my hotel room. I have the hotel room to myself. Woohoo! Anyways, I'm gonna quickly hop in the shower because in 30 minutes I'm gonna do room checks with my coworkers and then knock out because we're gonna have a long day tomorrow. It's the next day. It is 8 in the morning and I'm awake. We have to leave the hotel by 10:30. I'm gonna get some work done in the meantime because I did bring my work laptop to catch up on my lesson planning for next week. So I'm gonna do that right now. And I also DoorDashed some food. I DoorDashed a coffee, a tiramisu latte from the corner bakery, a chocolate croissant, a wrap. So I'm gonna eat that as I work, and then at 10 we'll be downstairs waiting to head out by 10:30 back to the competitions. It's 9:30. Finishing up breakfast as I make a study guide for the Q3 exam. It's 10:15 and I'm going to head down to meet up with the students and head out.
Year's conference theme is Texas HOSA, inspiring the next wave of future health.
Yes, Diana.
Yeah, I know.
I was practicing with her.
I was about to practice with her, but then I told her to the job skills. To the PSA skills.
No wonder she came to me then.
Yeah.
Because she was already... I'm here with some of my former students. Say hi. You guys happy that you're going to stay, right?
We're so happy.
So happy
Because we were second place out of 2 teams. So we won by default and we're advancing.
Okay.
But I got my area off too, which I'm also very proud of.
Great. I'm so proud of you guys.
We're gonna be in Galveston.
Yeah.
New Adelie vlogs are off this year.
Everybody vlogs.
Aww.
Best vlogs.
Aw. Thank you guys. It's the next day, 8 in the morning, and I'm going to head to the beach with my best friend Wendy. We're gonna have a morning beach picnic. Came to pick up Wendy.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. It's time for the beach. Wait. Those trucks, man. Look at the sun. The sun is beaming. It's perfect weather. Beach time.
Yes.
First, second day of that actually have good weather for this.
Oh, yes.
So we're excited. Stay posted for the photos.
Yes. Check them out on IG.
She'll tag you. She'll tag herself.
Oh, you're funny. We just got here to Karma Coffee.
So excited.
Yes.
So excited. Like
This is a jewelry store. I got this.
it's cute.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Sounds good.
Bookstore with the coffee.
Being clumsy. I'm being super clumsy. We're just checking out the books as we leave Berkeley. We got our coffees. Yes, we got our coffees. I got the honeycomb breve. What is it? Breve? Honeycomb breve. And this there's a lot of syrup at the bottom. Maybe if you ask the cup so you can I think it's just oversaturated. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, I love these movies. The Bridget Jones Diary.
Oh yeah, those are great movies. I saw it right now.
Yeah. You're watching it?
No, I was looking at the book.
Oh, I didn't even know it was a book.
Jacob's Hands.
There's 3 movies of this, right?
And 3 or 4.
Oh, the 4th one, which is so next to
This is your babies.
Yes. That was good. Made it!
Yes, we're so excited.
Yes! Walking towards the beach. Ah! It is, dude. I don't think I've ever been to this one. Very nice. We're gonna go to the water. We're done taking pictures and now we're finally going to enjoy our breakfast. I ordered a croissant with strawberries and Nutella. And Wendy, what did you order?
I got a bagel with peanut butter and bananas.
Yum! We are going sweet this morning. It's already 10 in the morning too.
Wow.
Yeah.
No ladybug.
Oh, how cute.
You have sign hand pencil?
In my car.
Okay. I was just wondering.
Yes. How cute. Cute. Aww.
Dude,
So
like you're literally
adorable.
coming. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
Guys, we have ladybugs on us. Oh my god, maybe that's the baby of this one that I have. It likes my wristband. Look at this cute dog, guys. It came earlier to say hi to Wendy. Right,
Yes.
Wendy?
I love dogs.
Aw, he's so precious.
He was so soft.
Our cute setup. Love it. We're reading our books. The final offer. 10 out of 10. It's 11:45 and we are going to leave the beach already. Yes. We got lots of reading done, lots of talking, lots of pictures, lots of fun, lots of fun. Feels so nice when you're
A well-deserved day.
It was perfect.
I felt like calm, relaxed.
Yep, I agree. Look at that little dog. We came to get another coffee.
Yep.
Coffee addicts.
Coffee addicts.
It's 1 p.m. and I'm finally home. It was such a great morning. Let me show you guys my OOTD for the beach. So I have this blue bikini from Victoria's Secret and it's so cute because it's like sparkly. And then I have the matching bottoms as well. Super cute. I got them last summer. So right now I'm just going to wash my car because it's extremely dirty and I've been needing to wash it since last week, but last week it was rainy and super gross. So now I'm finally gonna wash it and then I'm going to go to the park. I feel like going for a run and just this sun feels so good, so I just want to be out in the sun. I'm gonna go for a run and then come home, shower, and just have a chill day. It's almost 4 p.m. and I'm done washing my other car. I went to go take this car to the car wash and then I went to get water and now I'm finally at the park. So I'm gonna walk for a little bit and then run and then go home, shower because I'm all gross, and then eat. I'm starving. Hopefully I'm here for like 30 minutes. The sun is blazing and it feels so good and it's super windy, but it feels good and I usually hate windy days. So yeah, let's go. Whew, I just finished. I did 28 minutes in total. 10 minutes running my 1 mile and then 18 minutes walking back. So I completed 2 miles. I don't know why, but it feels so good to be outside. Like the sun blazing on my face, on my body. It feels so good. Okay, now time to go home and hop in the shower because I'm so gross right now. I'm all showered up and I'm going to begin editing the vlog so I can upload it. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.